This is ECE4180 project presentation by Andrew Kim and Stone Guo. Our project is an Mbed-based dashboard camera with Pi4 as a slave for camera module. A Mbed dip switch will control whether the car is on or off. During the off state, when an accelerometer detects very slight acceleration, meaning that someone might hit the car, or when a distance sensor senses someone approaching, a parking incident is detected. Similarly, when the car is on and the accelerometer detects a very large acceleration, a traffic incident is detected. In both of these cases, a signal will be sent to Pi, which records continuously in an infinite loop, and will save the previous 5 seconds and next 10 seconds as a separate video when the signal from Mbed is received. Meanwhile, Mbed LCD will also update the number of traffic incident, parking incident, and number of videos saved. The speaker will also make an alert. The parts we use for these projects are, for the Mbed side, a LCD, a speaker with a Class D audio amplifier, a distance sensor, a dip switch, and an accelerometer. For the Pi4 side, we use a Pi camera module, a 5.1 power adapter, a HDMI cable if you want to see the videos without removing the SD card, and a 16-gig SD card with Raspberry Pi operating system pre-installed.
The Mbed and Pi software are split up into two components. The Mbed is mostly used to process all of the data, and the Pi is used as a slave device. So the Mbed uses 3 devices on the I2C bus using the LCD, LiDAR, and accelerometer. It also keeps track of the on and off state. One output signal goes to the Pi to signal when an incident has taken place and when to start recording video. The software checks the LiDAR and accelerometer values no more than 2 times a second, and then the threshold values can be changed for the LiDAR and accelerometer values. Also, during video recording, there is no detection from the 2 inputs. The Mbed then keeps track of all the values for the software and updates the LCD and plays the speaker accordingly. On the Pi side, the camera module is coded with a Raspberry Pi Python IDE. A GPIO pin is used to interact with the Mbed and signal when to record. The Pi software overall records continuously, and then whenever it's signaled, it will save the last 5 seconds and then the next 10 seconds into a separate video file with 640 to 480 resolution. This next part is a short video demonstration of the Dashcam working. There is the LCD that displays all the data. There's a LiDAR and accelerometer. So when the LiDAR detects something that is close, which is a parking incident, it'll update the values and a video will be recorded on the Pi. And then later, the video can be opened up and the user can basically see what was recorded on video. Next, there's also the parking incident where the vehicle slightly shakes as if someone had hit it, and that will record a video and basically save it. Next, the Dashcam is turned on to the on state, so the dip switch is flipped up, and in this case, the LiDAR sensor stops working, and the only incidents that will occur is traffic incidents when there is a large acceleration, as if in a traffic accident. Then the same thing will happen where the Mbed will save the video and someone can go view it later. So for future plans, there obviously has to be some reorganization and packaging of the Mbed project. The Pi and Mbed also have to be connected to car power, and there has to be threshold modifications. The thresholds were put particularly low for the demonstration. Additionally, video length modification might be necessary in order to record longer bits of video, which are very possible with this project. However, the SD card would have to be larger to store longer videos. Additionally, there might be a need for additional communication between the Pi and Mbed in the case that this system would restart several times and where other inputs are used to keep track of data. Thanks for watching.